Hi, my name is David P Shapiro. I'm the owner and managing partner of the law office of David P Shapiro, located in San Diego, California, where my firm helps good people regain control of their future when charged with a crime. This video, I want to talk about some things you really need to know, some basic facts to keep in mind if you're facing felony charges in downtown San Diego Courthouse. First tip is, let's assume charges have already been filed and your first court date. First court date is going to be your arraignment. It's going to be on the first floor of the courthouse at 1100 Union Street, downtown San Diego, on the corner of Union and C. Your courtroom, in all likelihood, is going to be Department 101. It'll likely be in the afternoon at 1:30. At that arraignment, you'll enter a not guilty plea to whatever charges are filed against you, and at least 2 new court dates will be set. One will be a readiness conference, the other will be a preliminary hearing. Well, let's talk about what a readiness conference is and what a preliminary hearing is. Well, a readiness conference is an opportunity for your attorney, the district attorney, the prosecutor, and the judge to meet and discuss the case. Is it a case that's going to be able to favorably be resolved for you? Is it a case where they may need some time? You may need some time. Your attorney may need some time. Prosecutor may need some time. Or is it a case where it's just going to move forward that much closer to trial and you're going to confirm the preliminary hearing date? Now, your readiness conferences will be in most likely one of 3 courtrooms on the 11th floor of that same courthouse, 1101, 1102, or 1103. We have no control over what department you get sent to, but for all purposes for readiness conferences, you will be in that department. If the case gets confirmed for a preliminary hearing, your preliminary hearing will be heard, at least it'll start, back on the ground floor of the courthouse, right next door to Department 101 where your arraignment was, in Department 102. Hearing will start likely at 8:30. Assuming the case is ready to go, you, your attorney, and the prosecutor will be assigned to a department in the building that your attorney will likely be unable to know what department that'll be until that morning. At that hearing, once it starts, the district attorney will put on evidence by way of testimony to try and convince the judge that whatever you're charged with, there's enough evidence to get past that step in the process. In many ways, we refer to a preliminary hearing like a miniature trial or a Reader's Digest or Cliff Notes version of the entire case. District attorney will call witnesses. They don't have to call every witness, but any witness they do call, your attorney will have an opportunity to confront and cross-examine them. At the end of that hearing, a judge will make a determination whether there's been enough evidence for the charges to remain against you. Then you sort of reset everything again. A new arraignment, a new readiness conference, and then potentially the case may proceed to trial. Hope you found this basic outline of what you could expect if facing felony charges in San Diego Superior Court, specifically the Downtown Courthouse. Hope you found this video helpful. If you or a loved one have any questions about their felony case in San Diego, anywhere in the county, but particularly downtown, my firm is just one phone call away at 619-295-3555.